Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice from scratch. First, select the type of rice you want to cook, whether it's long grain white, brown, or basmati. Then, accurately measure your rice and the corresponding amount of water. A common ratio is 2 parts water to 1 part rice, but this can vary. Finally, rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs clear to remove excess starch. Once your rice is rinsed, combine it with the measured water in a heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid to trap the steam inside. Let it simmer gently without lifting the lid for the recommended cooking time. After the simmering time, which is typically around 18 minutes for white rice, remove the pot from the heat. It's crucial to let the rice rest, still covered, for at least 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly cooked grains. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to separate the grains and achieve a light texture. For consistently great rice, always use a pot with a tight-fitting lid to prevent steam from escaping. Resist the urge to stir the rice while it's cooking, as this can release starch and make it gummy. Remember that different rice varieties, like brown rice, require different water ratios and longer cooking times. Experiment to find your perfect method. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.